Hello guys, today I have received this 10 gigabit USB-C hub. This is a splitter that has 4 USB-C ports. This is the product right here. And look at this cable, guys. This is 3.3 feet. If you have a Mac computer, you know that you only have 2 ports on one side and then 1 port on the other. That is if you have a Pro, but if you have a regular, then you only have 2 USB-C ports. This is why you need a splitter like this. This is a fast Type-C splitter, and it will actually give you the ability of adding 4 more ports. So if I just simply connect this to my Mac, this one port, I'll be converting it to 4 Type-C ports, okay? Now I'll be able to connect my phone and charge it. Also, I'll be able to connect my hard drive. I'll be able to connect, all my devices at the same time. Now this cable being this long is gonna give you a lot of conveniency because you're gonna be able to put this hub, anywhere you want around your desk, not necessarily around your computer, but you can actually extend it anywhere you need it. I'm gonna be able to have fast access to all my files. Also, it has this status light right here that is gonna show me when this is busy working or whatever the status is. This is going to also let me know. This hub is actually made out of aluminum, which that means that it's going to dissipate the heat, so you can rest assured that whatever you connect to this hub, it's going to be okay. They're not going to be overheating, or you're not going to notice any temperature change, which is very important because even temperature can actually damage electronics. This is very portable. As soon as you're finished using it, all you need to do is simply just remove everything, fold this, and take it with you all the time. The cable is braided out of a nylon material, which is going to ensure durability and also flexibility. Now do remember that this is compatible with Mac, with Windows, with Android tablets, with Apple tablets, with cell phones, that could be iOS or also Android, and it has universal Type-C compatibility. I hope that the information about this 10 gigabit USB-C hub was helpful. I definitely want to thank you for watching. See you on the next video.